Hello, guys. Very good afternoon. And we have the very bubbly and stress free Mama Kamalika with us today. And so, just to quickly introduce, she's a working mother of a 4-year-old and who has just weaned a few months back, self weaned a few months back from breastfeeding. And she has had an interesting journey of self feeding. So, Mishti, who is her daughter, has been self feeding when it comes to having solid meals. And here we are with Kamalika, where she will share with us how was the journey and what she felt, what was good about it, what were the challenges she faced, and why should we consider going this way than the traditional weaning methods where the child is fed with the spoon and by a caregiver. Would you like to do a quick intro, Kamalika?
Yeah, I think you have said the main parts. So I work with a major MNC, and the solid part I was very worried about, because this starts around the 6-month time, right? And this is right when I had to join back to work. And here you have the person in
Hi,
discussion.
Mishti. Yeah.
So you will see her climbing all over. We are used to it because we have been working from home for so long. So yeah, so the solids part, I freaked out about it, when she was around 4 months old, because that's when the regression hits, right? And you can't do anything because, you can't sleep at night. They move constantly. And then, ab kya kare? There are two types of stress, right? One type of stress is you get stressed in advance, right? Before the fire hits. So that by the time you research and talk to people and learn from people, by the time the actual problem arrives, you are chilled. Ki chalo, ho gaya, ab aur kya. The other time, it's the aag lagne to kuआं खोदना, right? Where you start stressing. एक meal नहीं खाया, अब क्या होगा? Eating चल रही है, not eating. So I prefer to be in the other, I stress out much in advance and prep.
You prefer being the first type.
हाँ. तो उसके बाद when it actually problem hits, I'm like, चलो ये तो normal है, देख रखा है.
पता है क्या करना है.
पता है क्या करना है, yeah.
Right. Yeah, even I feel, knowing what is normal gives you that power of, okay, now I can handle it. I know, what's normal and I know how to work around.
Yeah.
I think, it is a major, I would say, advantage of knowing what is normal in advance. Yeah. So you belong to a Bengali family where, the sweets or, food is a big deal in Bengali families. Like life revolves around food.
Around food, मतलब दिन में 4 बार नहीं खाया तो कुछ नहीं किया. Plus, when we think back also, this is pre-COVID, but a lot of our socialization is also around food. When we go to catch up with people, it's either in, you either head to someone's house, you enjoy a meal, and then you come back, or you go to a restaurant.
और फिर यहाँ पे मिलते हैं because वहाँ पे अच्छा मिलता है. Yes,
correct. And then that's another part where I wanted to go the baby-led weaning way, is because I didn't want to go behind this one child and say "Khalo bachcha" and one katori and one spoon. That's what I had seen many people do. The other part was the phone. Table pe there would be one phone, and then this child would be eating. Why I did not prefer that, or why I did not want to go down that route, and I started looking for options, is because then you don't enjoy food, right? And we are, in some sense, I know you and me both are foodies, right? So the whole texture and aaj crunchy bana hai, aaj masaledar bana hai, so that part somehow goes away.
That experience of
Yeah, the whole part of going out for a meal is to all of us sitting down as a family and enjoying, not running after the child ki bhai tum kha lo types.
Correct. So, absolutely.
Yeah. So that was a main part of.
That was your main motivation.
100%.
Like, even I can relate to it, because when we see people running behind the children, feeding, अरे नहीं ये last बचा है खा लो, या फिर even watching the screen and having food, something doesn't seem right. It may be convenient, it may be giving some people that satisfaction of, oh, my child has been fed, but somehow it doesn't sync well with a few people. So I would say baby led weaning is definitely for those who feel that, one, you don't feel practically this thing doable, that running behind the child and feeding. Second, you feel food is a very important part of your lives and not just limited to growing up.
Correct.
And three is when you are someone who doesn't believe in having screens as a motivation to gulp down the food. So I feel if you fall in any of these three categories, you should definitely opt or read more, ask more about this method called baby led weaning. Who
And
told you about this method?
yeah,
Malika?
so incidentally, this was when I think I had joined SmackBub a little late. I wished I had joined it during the infant stage. बहुत माथा पच्ची कम होती, but I missed the bus. So I think I messaged you on WhatsApp, or I
Yeah,
think I
we
had
met
put a
on
post
baby
on
led weaning.
FB, yeah, saying I have
Yeah,
this carrier that has gifted to me,
yeah,
and then आगे क्या करना है types, right?
correct.
And then you
We met
messaged me and
because
you
of
came
baby wedding.
over. Yeah, you came over for a
Yes,
baby wedding
yes,
consult. And then I
yes,
joined up the group, and that was mainly instrumental because इसके पहले मैंने baby led weaning ना honestly सुना नहीं था.
correct.
So all my pregnancy reading was completely out of syllabus, because then I was reading about first trimester में क्या होता है and second trimester में क्या होता है, but all of these more important parts about the breastfeeding
Yeah,
journey, the solid journey,
yeah,
that was out of syllabus. I
absolutely.
lucked out on breastfeeding journey because I had gone to St. John's, right? And they have
Yeah.
a very pro breastfeeding culture where there are lactation
Mm,
consultants coming in. So that part,
yeah.
thankfully, touch wood, survived. But the
Yes.
solids part, majorly, I kept a watch on this group, and I saw
Yeah.
these two kids were doing
Yeah.
amazing things. है मम्मी और बच्चा बैठ के चाय पी रहे हैं, मम्मी चाय पी रही है, बच्चा खाना खा रहा है. I was like, ये चाहिए.
This is what I want.
This is what I want, because when you think about it, 4 meals a day, right? That's what, 3.5 hours of your life, that of your
Yeah.
awake
Yeah.
time that you're spending with your kid. I didn't feel it's good to be stressed out about it.
Yeah.
मतलब इंसान अगर 4 घंटे दिन में स्ट्रेस लेगा कि बच्चे ने खाया नहीं खाया, then where does that bonding part comes in, right? It
Yeah.
limits your conversation with your child by so much. So
Very true.
that happened, and then I had our few senior moms, right? And I bugged them. ये क्या है, right? And what are these you know what are these kids doing? Are they eating our food? Because even I come from a background where first food is rice, right?
Yeah.
Rice, kheer,
Yeah.
stuff like that. So you actually, mash, and then someone feeds it to you. Then there was
Yeah.
this Cerelac. Cerelac. Everyone has gone through this baby-led weaning journey. Cerelac takes the cake, because
Yeah.
and I must say this, our parents and the earlier generation, they did the best with the information that they had, right? Because it was marketed so well.
Correct.
If you buy this and give this to your child,
बस हो गया.
nutrition is
Yes.
perfectly
कुछ नहीं
taken care
करना
of.
आपको.
कुछ नहीं करना आपको, बस इतना चम्मच लगा के खिला दो and done. So when the grandparents, right, they enter into solids journey with us, which is our child, तो वो कहीं से आता है, because that is what they know, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But with our responsibility as parents, again, it's to do the best with the information that we have, and then it's our responsibility कि ढूंढो, पता करो. Oh, you got me a blanket. Thank you, Mishti. It is actually a little chilly. Thank you. So yeah, so it's upon us to do that that reading up and seeing ki acha, is there a better way of doing this, or like you said,
Correct.
I saw something and I
Correct.
went mujhe ye chahiye. So in
Correct.
that I entered into a lot of conversation with Snugbub and also with people
Yeah.
whom I pestered on TNs, because we
Yeah.
didn't have a lovely solids document then na कि
Yeah.
ये
Yeah.
होता
Yeah.
है, ऐसा होता है,
Correct.
and this is the first aid
Yeah.
things that you should look up
Yeah.
before.
Before
And
you
I'm not
start.
a very Insta Facebook person, तो उसमें तो zero है. So I did not follow a lot of these
Yeah.
pages, but I
Yeah.
did learn a lot from the personal journeys that people were sharing. Uh,
Right.
I think there was this one day I lost it because एक दिन ना मैंने उपमा दिया था, right? And upama and a toddler who is learning to eat gives you a sandstorm.
Like quite literally. Yeah.
Quite literally. And if I hadn't you know known about this, it is likely to get very messy. So if
Yeah.
at 6 months you're having one meal a day, do it right before bath
Yes.
and सीधा लेके नहला दो.
Correct. Correct.
So
Yeah, I mean, once you start doing, there are ways to manage it better. I mean, manage the mess also better. Many people
correct,
also, what works is balcony mein, if you have a good balcony, just place it there,
correct,
place a mat down. So it's just easy to clean.
correct.
Okay, so what do you think, once, look back, now that Mishti is 4 years, do you really think it was worth it? Or can you share some experiences where you felt, oh God, thankfully, thank God I'm doing this?
So I think yes, 100%. As in, I could not thank Snugbub also enough, because there are two very recent experiences. One is we had usually when moms and babies go out, it's not a very pleasant experience, right?
Yeah.
Because if you are following traditional weaning, you're always worried कि कितना खाया, क्या
Khaya hai,
खाया,
nahi khaya hai.
food, or the child is running around in the restaurant,
Yeah.
and and there is actual danger because people are walking around with heavy dishes and serving hot
Yes.
food. So
Yes.
you know, so
Like
the
the
last
mother
time,
is never at peace.
yeah, never at peace. So I think the last two times I went out, I think I stepped out of the house
Yeah.
last week and the weekend before, because with all of these pandemic, and she had hit
Yeah.
like four years after her birthday. It was
Yeah.
a very calm experience. It was like going with another adult to a restaurant, because by this time Mishti is able to say कि मुझे ये खाना है, right?
Correct.
And when it arrives, you don't have to feed her. You serve it like
Yeah.
you would do another person,
Grown up. Yeah.
and that's it, right? So you
Yeah.
actually have conversations, and the child participates in the conversation. So that's one part. The second part
Yes.
happened over a conversation, I think yesterday, day before yesterday. So my mom hated this baby-led weaning. She was like, "What is this? बच्चे को खाना नहीं खिला रही हो?" Like,
I'm sure
"Ma-
all of our moms, have the same kind of initial
yeah,
reactions.
it's like खाना क्यों नहीं खिला रही हो? Because I think they took great pleasure from feeding the child, अपने
Yeah.
हाथ से खिलाना
Yeah.
type.
हाथ से खिलाना
And
या फिर you're being such a horrible mother by इतना छोटा बच्चा है, how do you expect him to eat?
expect to eat by yourself and all of that, right? And since I breastfed from the beginning,
Yeah.
it was ingrained in me that the child will not starve. Uh,
Yeah.
and the child is very, very smart, smarter than us, 100%. And they will know how much they want to eat. So apna
Correct.
below 6 months was giving bhooks.
Correct.
After 6 months, it became to giving food that is suitable for them at that age, right? So
Right.
so till the first birthday, we had these no salt, no sugar wala thing, and
Right.
that was one epic battle that I had to fight, because
I'm sure.
यदि बच्चा मीठा नहीं खाएगा, then व्यर्थ है, बच्चे तो खाते ही हैं type thing.
क्या कर रहे हैं बच्चे के साथ? I know.
क्या कर रहे हैं बच्चे के साथ? And I think there was this, and I got very wild, because there was this conversation about you're being such a cruel mother.
Yeah.
बच्चे का हक छीन रहे हो, and these are very heated discussions to have with
Yeah.
people that
Yeah.
you respect.
Correct.
Yeah. And that is where again SnubUp helped me, because there were these people who had kids around the same age group, and
Yeah.
had a similar philosophy in raising kids, that that I could share with,
Yeah.
and not be judged. कि हाय
Yeah.
मेरे मदर इन लॉ ने बोला बच्चे का खाना छीन रही हो, and then people would talk you down, right? They would say कि
Correct.
होता है, just choose your battles, and this is a good thing that is happening. So yeah, it was quite an organic process, and you definitely need a tribe to do something that is not, what do I say, not so
Not
mainstream.
normal in, yeah, not mainstream.
Yeah,
Correct.
not very mainstream.
I think one point I really liked was when you are breastfeeding a child, that you have that confidence that my child will demand when needed, and will go away when he is done. Similar,
Yeah,
I myself being, my one child was exclusively breastfed and one was on formula for a major part of his infancy. So I can relate to it, because when you're formula feeding, you're always trying to measure things. Oh, have I, am I doing right? Am I offering the right quantity? So when it comes to solids, when you're breastfeeding, you already have gained that confidence that my baby is going to eat how much he needs. But when you're formula feeding, that little
yeah,
have I done enough or not will be there. But trust me, just trust the baby. Trust
yeah,
him, her, that they know how much their bodies need.
correct.
And coming to this question of salt and sugar, uh, why, you being a Bengali, I'm sure you must be liking a lot of sweets. How did you feel right that okay, ye karna barabar hai, I should not be giving sweets to the child? Kya hua, what did motivate you, or how did you convince yourself?
So, for me, I don't have a major sweet tooth. For me, it's all savory, tala hua, spicy and all. But for my child, the whole thing, ki this is just 1 year, right? And when you start your solids journey, it's like just 6 months. So the child has the time to eat all the sweets in the world. And trust me, even if you don't introduce it, as a conscious choice, organically, there is no getting away from it, right? Every party you go to will have a cake, right? And then for me as a person, I choose my battles, right? So 2 महीने में एक बार बर्थडे पार्टी में गए, एक केक खाया is perfectly fine with me, right? I wouldn't, how do you say, demonize a particular food group at all.
Ah,
Yeah,
correct, correct.
घर गए, and
Moderation.
दादी माँ has made payesh.
Correct,
Fine, have a bowl. But I ensure that at
correct.
least for the first year at home, these were not an offer, because we have more control over our home. Or actually, she used to go to daycare as well at that time. So even to the daycare people, किसी बच्चे का बर्थडे हुआ, एक पीस खाया, fine. But in our tiffin, it wasn't a, it wasn't a mainstay. So there would be never a day where laddu was there as food,
Yeah,
or a
yeah.
snack, right? And this child doesn't like fruits, so that was a major fail. So I had that in the back of my mind कि nutrition आ रहा है कि नहीं, मिल रहा है कि नहीं, because you always hear like fruits are a big part of
Yeah,
your nutrition,
yeah.
right? But then again, I researched कि if you, what happens if the child rejects fruits? Basically,
If
nothing
not
happens.
fruits,
They
what else?
figure out
Correct.
from other, yeah.
Other
So
sources.
that again, coming back to that, research is because every child is different. They will like different things that you would have never thought of.
Correct.
Because I remember there was this phase, I think some 1.5 year ke stage where she used to eat only white. There was this preference, chawal
Yeah.
white with ghee.
Correct.
So it's very important to know that these phases will hit, right? And you will
Yeah.
still serve that sabji next to that white rice
Correct.
one day without pushing. That child will eat it. So
Correct.
yeah, like you say, knowing what is normal is extremely important.
Absolutely. Correct.
And what else is interesting?
Yeah, I wanted to check also that there are a lot of parents who probably don't know about this concept of baby-led weaning, and at a later point they're like, "Oh yes, this clicks with me, and I want to try with my kid." Is this possible? Do you think it is possible? And what can be done to help the child, come on a self-feeding track?
So the best part about kids is one thing works with them beautifully. है ना? It's like the mantra of our life. One is this is a phase, it will pass. Second is monkey see, monkey do. So all of our life's answers can be into this state. ये दो statement में आ जाएंगे. So if you are wanting to try baby-led weaning, right? After the child has grown up a fair bit, I would say eating as a family is very important, right? So you have a designated place where you eat. Before Mishtu, we used to sit in front of TV and Netflix and chill and eat, right? Because देखने वाला कोई नहीं था. But now we have to grow up. Na? It's like that Gandhi ji ka story. Before telling people to stop eating sugar, telling a child to stop eating sugar, you have to do it yourself. So that's how you set up. You set up a space where you eat. You get all the food, serve it to everyone in same plates and same bowls. Because trust me, otherwise, wo wala chahiye will happen, which you don't want. The worst part is the plate will get thrown.
Correct.
Because
Correct.
alag sa plate hai. So yeah,
Absolutely.
monkey see, monkey do work. Also,
Yes.
what I would say is, if a child is used to eating a certain way for a large part of their lives, 2 साल का बच्चा 6 months में starts, it started with traditional
Yeah.
weaning. Don't expect, because that's like what 25% of their lives, right? Don't expect
Yeah.
them ki ek do meal mein they will get the hang of it. So
Correct.
with everything, it will pass, but you have to give repeated exposure and repeated how do I say?
Role
Don't
modeling, as
react.
you call it.
Role
Yeah.
modeling, yeah, continuous role modeling, and every time you want to step in, sit on your hands, because the same child is picking up. I don't know if it happens to you, but the same child is picking up chappals and licking it, right? So the child knows
Yeah.
how to pick up
Yeah.
things and put it in their mouth, right?
Correct.
So even babies who are traditionally fed, all kids do
Yeah.
this, and I'm
All
sure
kids.
all of you have faced this. So yeah, just give them those safe opportunities and sit on your hands. Don't try to step in and make things better, because they will get it.
Correct.
It will take
And
time.
yes. Also, one important point I feel to add here, to add on to what you said, ki, when it comes to raising babies or having a certain way you feel is right, it's important we role model it and make the changes in our lives also. मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि खुद फैल के टीवी देख के खाना खा रहे and then telling, oh no, you are not supposed
No
to do that.
screaming.
Then that's not going to be, that's not gonna work. Then
Yeah.
secondly, so yes, it's a major so having a child is not easy, definitely. So it does mean making a lot of changes in our life just to make sure that their life gets better. So
Correct.
don't look at it as a burden. अरे यार अभी बच्चा हो गया, I can't even watch TV.
No,
So do it when
and
they
it's
sleep.
a good thing, because otherwise we wouldn't get on this journey of even self improvement, right? I would
Yeah.
be eating pizza in front of TV.
Correct. Like, I used to love sweets, but I also followed 1 year no salt sugar thing. And then it was easier for me. "अरे यार, नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा है, it's
Correct.
okay."
Yeah.
It's just the conditioning, the years and years of conditioning which we have gone through. It's just about unlearning and relearning a few things.
Correct.
If you're open to it, it's gonna be easier for you to help your child do it. Because whatever,
100%.
like a kid who sees his mother eating salad every day feels this is normal. My family eats this. This is my food.
Correct.
That way. Similarly, if you are a vegetarian, the kid will feel, oh, meat is not something I eat. Or ulta, so they
Ulta.
do what they see. They do this, whatever they feel is normal is going to be what they do. initially. I mean, of course, once they are grown up to make their own choices, things will be different.
Yeah,
But till that time, yes. Um, and yes, when it comes to role modeling, one is that factor, like making the changes ourselves and being very patient. Secondly, hi Mishti. Yes, we are talking about you. Secondly, a lot of parents come to me saying, you know, I give him to self feed. He doesn't feed. After some time, he is hungry, and then he goes and eats a lollipop. In this case, when it comes to a problem of choice, it is important you do not have things which you don't want the kid to eat in the house. Nahi to
correct.
this, they are very smart. They know where what is kept, and they will
Exactly.
get it. They'll have their own ways to get it. So if you want a role model, make sure you don't have those options which you don't want them to eat in the house
Correct.
for that period. Hmm. Okay.
100%.
So, how was the mess? Because I know you have been working. When did you start working? How old was Mishti then?
I think around the six months mark. So
Wow.
the mess, I knew that there would be mess, right? So we had a booster chair because I didn't want to buy, one more article of furniture because house was
Yeah.
ऐसे ही छोटा, right? So we had the whole Nietzsche newspaper, and after the first few meals, no, you figure out कि how far can a carrot travel.
Correct.
So you set up your boundaries accordingly. And honestly, it's not so messy also. Because
Yeah.
after that Upma incident, and I discussed it on the group, I figured out कि जिस दिन उपमा देना है उस दिन सर पे जम के तेल लगाना है. Why? Because then what when you put water and when you put her for a bath, the upma will wash out.
Good one.
So I, yeah,
That's
and then
quite a practical hack, girls. Yeah.
so the more you have a tribe to talk about these things, and the more you read up on the stage that is coming up, the more
Yeah.
chilled out you will be because
Yeah.
all the stress you have taken before अभी ना लेने को कुछ बचा नहीं है. So you will be अच्छा
Correct.
चलो ठीक है ये तो होता है देख रखा है types. What else?
Yes.
Oh, and like I said, like this girl used to go to the daycare, right? So
Yeah. Yeah.
so
Yeah.
I had
Yes. Amruta
so
has a
I
query on
had a very interesting demo session with the daycare instructors.
that.
So
Yeah.
we started out very slowly. So she went for like an hour uh, a day type of thing, and then we slowly ramped it up to give her enough time. So the first roadblock we had was the daycare people saying she is not eating enough. डब्बा खाली नहीं हो रहा है, and then I live very close to the daycare because that is the decision I had taken कि office के पास
Yeah.
नहीं देना है, घर के पास देना है, because it's easier to just visit that
Yes.
way.
Yes.
So I had a conversation with them asking कि कैसे खा रहे हो, right? So for kids that are that age, 8 months, 9 months, the one of the nannies actually used to feed her, and our child had not been fed ever, so she thought it was a grand game. She did foo. And after 1 or 2 hours, I would pick her up, right? And she was drinking water anyway, and she would feed up on breast milk because that was
Yeah.
on offer. So I
Correct.
had a few meal times. So I
Correct.
asked them, next बच्चे कब खाते हैं, right? So that I could be there,
Correct.
and tell, because they had all of these setups. So
Just
every
yeah.
daycare you go to will have a high chair, and in multiples,
Yes.
right? But उसमें क्या होता है ना,
Yes.
you put the child in it, and then someone will feed. High chair is there for sure
Correct.
because
Just for restricting the child. That's all.
for restricting, plus आजकल माँ बाप के पास बहुत पैसे हैं, so this is like a minimum criteria कि if there is an infant
Correct.
section उसमें दो high chair रहने का,
उसमें होना ही है.
उसमें
Correct.
होना है, and they will show it to you very proudly also, and then tell him we will ensure that your child का tiffin का डब्बा is finished because that's a USP. So it's
Wow.
very important for you as parents to set that expectation with the daycare कि I
Yeah.
don't care कि if the dabba is khali or the dabba is full. this is how you should serve it. You take the dabba, right? You take a plate,
Yeah.
you put the plate on and make it very graphical. And if you can, just model 2 or 3 eating sessions with them so that they also know how to handle a self-feeding child, right?
Correct. Correct.
Give me food on the school also. See, they used to give food on the school also.
Ah,
So
yeah.
good. So it's very important to tell them ki I will not get worried if the dabba is hasn't been touched on one day, right? Because I know the child is making up for it in other ways, and
Yes.
especially around the 1 year mark, where the solids strike,
Aversion, food aversion comes in.
is
Yeah.
a major thing. So there are two ways this could go, right? If you get stressed on the quantity part, you are actually messing up the the relationship with food,
Yeah.
right? Because it's always something that needs to be finished, or it's
Correct.
not a very positive thing then. So
Yeah.
and Mary Kismet, I have always been home during that time where there is like peak kuch nahi khayenge, and the grandmothers used to take my case. ये
Correct.
बच्चा खा नहीं रहा है. If both of you are working, what are you doing with this kid?
Yeah.
And there used to be fights, and but
And these
now
are the
at 4
major phases where the mom guilt can again kick in. So please,
yeah,
girls, it's very common. Yeah.
and the guilt is not from you. It's the free ka funda that other people will tell you. So
Yeah.
every time you get shocked on that, ki oh my god, 1 year old my child used to eat this much, is suddenly
Yeah.
not eating anything, which means I need to curry everything, mix something, Pediasure nutrition के लिए देना है. So all of those things, it helps to be aware, right? कि ऐसा phase आने
Correct.
वाला है. Maybe
Correct.
the older generation will not understand it, but
Yeah.
you yourself will be calm कि ये होने वाला है and know about
Yeah.
it. This visit is 2 months or few days.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
करने दो, फिर देख
Yeah.
लेंगे. So we had episodes of her going around and feeding in the house, but then we ensured that none of that happened in our house, right? Because in our
Correct.
space, it's very important to build that our family,
Yeah.
every family has their
Family
own set
rule.
of rules.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is how
Yeah. Yeah.
this is how things do. But I think last week,
Yes.
my so we were on a video call, and this girl was belting away food, and then my dad was
Yeah.
like, इस लड़की को खाना के लिए कितना परेशान किया था तुमने, and and then he's like, देखो कितने अच्छे से खा रही है. And it's very difficult when you're in the heat of the food rejection, eating,
Yeah. Yeah.
eating only one kind of food, but stick to it. Once you stick to
Yeah.
it does give returns. It
Correct.
really does give
And
returns.
right. And aversions are best handled when it's like you stay calm, look at the child, observe the child. Is the child active? Is the peak count okay? And keep offering. This is all you can do. So
Yeah,
yes,
our
Ashwini has
game
a question.
is very clear. Yeah, tell me.
How can we stop grandmoms from feeding the child if we want to do baby-led weaning? And how to stop them from giving juices?
Very interesting. So,
And very
I
common.
we and very common. So we lived in we are a nuclear family, but then when we went home for some time, this was a battle that followed. Uh,
Yeah.
if your child is really small, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, you are dealing with very few meal times a day,
Yeah.
right? One meal, two meal.
Yeah.
Go somewhere. If you have your booster or whatever, that is your eating space, right?
Yeah.
Bahari mat aao. Take your plate, take your child's plate, go in an isolated area of your house, get the feeding done with, and come back.
Correct. Correct.
Juices,
And especially with a smaller child, it's still possible because tomorrow
it's
meal time,
possible.
it's hardly 1, 2, 3 meals. That's all.
Can I finish this, please? Daddy told that he already moved. We come back from the park. Okay. this is the association we have with food now. So the child is actually excited about having something, and actually asks for food,
Oh,
which is very nice thing to see as parents, right?
so
Because हम भी खाने वाले
yeah,
लोग हैं ना, तो अभी if a meal time is a stressful thing, you yourself don't enjoy your own meal times, right? Because
yeah,
it's so kitsch, which is
correct,
I
correct.
it's not so
Yeah,
nice for us.
yeah,
So where were
yeah.
we? Juices. If the grandmother is offering juices, there is a very smart way of doing this. You tell कि juice का fruit दे दो, because that's 100% okay, right? It's only
Yeah.
instead of zuring it in one mixie, you're offering the whole fruit, right? So
Yeah.
maybe make them, I don't know, you know these nice fruit arts that you see, stars
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? Maybe move the discussion on that. How do you present the fruit nicely?
मम्मी
Because I'm
मम्मी
sure
जी
you're
मुझे अच्छे
happy.
से काट के दे दो बच्चे को, अच्छे से काट के दे दो.
अच्छे
And
से
probably
करके
he will
देना.
feel, oh,
He will
she's
take
putting
effort
that effort
because
in.
I think that's where a lot of our parents or our older generation comes in, because they want to care. The way they want to care is not the right fit at that point in time.
Yeah,
Right? So, like we do with our kids, if they're doing something that should not be done, we just redirect. We never say a no,
correct,
or
correct.
unless and until it's an extreme case. Parenting is an awesome way to getting a management degree.
Yeah. Art of saying no and all those things.
Art of saying no, art of negotiating, art of redirecting things that you don't know, you don't want happening. Trust me, you will become
Patience.
a pro at it. Patience to bhai sahab. Look at this living my life on FB. Yeah,
And
they are coming from a place of care. If they want to make things fancy, I think now on Instagram there are brilliant baby-led winning resources. Give them the recipes and बोलो कि आप मुझे ये बना के
बना
दे
के
दो.
दे दो, बना के
आप
दे
बना
दो.
के दे दो. फिर हम साथ में बैठ के खाएंगे बेबी के साथ, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
include them.
yes, yes.
Just redirect and include them.
Right. I think yes, because nobody is, intends bad. Everybody is like, wanting to do, things for the baby. It's just the lack of information. That's all. So probably redirect them, give them options, what they can do instead of juicing the
Instead
foods.
of choosing. Yeah.
Sai has a question. Do we need to buy plate that stick to the surface, or normal plates are okay?
So the only thing I would say that you need to buy is either a booster or a high chair.
Yeah.
These two are the only two main equipments. Baki, trust me, I have wasted a lot of money. है ना वो suction वाले what was those suction वाले happy plates and
Suction
the
plates and all that. Yeah.
and was I'll tell you the worst thing that I had bought. It was a silicone spoon that changed color if the food was hot.
Oh God.
As in, can you believe it? We are giving the same food with our own hands, and I needed a silicone spoon because marketing is done so fantastically. And
Yeah.
as it we have, I think, a little bit of more purchasing power than our parents, right?
Yeah.
So when at night 11 o'clock you see this nice first cry ka, pop-up ad ki this is on 35% sale, it's very natural to jump and grab it क्योंकि इसके बिना तो baby led weaning possible ही नहीं है.
Temptation.
Don't fall for that. If you have extra money, send it to me. But go with stuff that you already have in your house. Because
Yeah.
I think in the first phase there will be a lot of throwing of things because they are kids, they are scientists. They will figure out gravity very fast. चम्मच गिरती है तो ठंग से आवाज आती है, प्लेट गिरता है तो धुड़ुम से आवाज आता है, मम्मा comes running. So the more you see these things as normal, the less tempted you will be of buying these fanciness things. I think after all of that silicon spoon episode, we came to a normal.
Less is more.
Less is more. Plus, you have less kachra in your house. Plus,
Less
you
is
have more fun to enjoy.
Yes.
पैसे ज़्यादा है,
Correct.
SnugBub को देना, मुझे देना for it.
Join the community. I mean, one
Join the
very
community.
important point which Kamalika also said, you have somebody whose child is younger than your kid, you have somebody whose child is elder than your kid. So you get, a 360-degree perspective of what to expect. And also, okay, what I went through, is it normal? How can I help the other, girl there? So I think it's a great way to stay connected with the ideas, different hacks, parenting hacks, and at the same time, help the newer moms around. So
Yeah.
yes, I would. It has been a blessing for so many moms, and I would strongly suggest you to do that as well. If you feel you are alone, if you feel you need more help, that hand holding support, then yes, you can DM us. Nivedita says, when your mom sees someone raising and feeding their child using traditional methods and which they approve of, and doubt your own ways and is unhappy about it, how to handle this? Help
So
help your mom watch
you
this video.
you wait and you watch, because like I said, at the 4-year mark, when they see the child going to a party or an engagement at someone else's house, and the 4-year-old is served the same food as all the adults, and they are enjoying it, and they're telling it ki this is yummy and this is not so yummy, the same grandparent will come back to you and say, they won't say it to your face ki acha kiya, but then what they will do, and this is when you will know that you have like arrived, with your mom or your MIL, is they will tell other people कि मेरा नाती ना खुद से खाता है, और मेरे नाती को ना पराठे
कुछ
बहुत
खिलाना
पसंद है,
नहीं पड़ता है. हाँ.
कुछ खिलाना नहीं पड़ता है, वो खुद ही खा जाता है. No one will tell you that it is because what you have followed, it will be the child's credit.
No one will appreciate you.
Good.
Yeah.
No one will appreciate you. तो वो तो we are there to appreciate you and your methods. but that delayed gratification will come. So
Yeah.
just do your research.
Yes. Important is, Nivedita, to know what you want to choose for your baby or what you feel is right. Stick to that, and you have plenty of examples within SnugBub itself. We have plenty of moms who have fought, have made their decisions, and now when they look back, they feel so proud about it. Like, I don't have to run around my child to feed. And I feel that's the best feeling. And seeing the child feeding himself confidently using a fork and a spoon, it's a blessing.
And after restaurants open up, you will get lightning fast service, because there will be this child who is belting pasta in white sauce, and all the service staff will fall over themselves to come and give this child the food. So restaurants serving spoon will be awesome.
Yes. I think it all pays off. Like when even in my case, my kids are now 5. When I go out, I don't stress about, oh, mere bacche kuch kha rahe, because I know they will be comfortable. They'll take care of themselves.
Exactly.
And I also see kids even who are like 7, 8 years, and their moms being really stressed out with this whole food thing. So I think, yes, just make a choice, stick to that, and be confident about the way you whatever you choose. There's no good and bad. Again, when it comes to parenting, there's no one right way. If somebody finds traditional comfortable, so be it. That is something that is suiting their family needs. But 100%. Yes, if you fall in those 3 categories which I told you, then yes, baby weaning is something which will suit you. Sai asks how much time it will take for a baby to start eating and stop throwing. 2 months, 3 months. It depends on how the environment in the house is as well.
Yes, and also there is this very important thing that I would want to tell. If you haven't read "Help My Child Won't Eat," please go and buy a copy, or read it, pirate it also, but read it, because most importantly, you must remember that food before one is just for fun. Right? There is nothing nutritionally dense that the child is getting out of it. It's just so that you build a relationship with texture. because you have been having either formula or breast milk for the first 6 months of your life, and that's your whole life. That is your 100% of your life. To build an association कि a toy को भी हम मुंह में डाल रहे हैं, and a toy also we throw, right? And then there is this new setup where things, objects are being placed in front of me, and a child cannot be expected to eat it, right? Because it's very alien. So I would say give it time. Role model, because again, lesson one, monkey see, monkey do. So if you are sitting with the child and eating that carrot, maybe the child will throw X number of times. Then one magical day, the child will see you putting it in your mouth and will pick it up and put it in your mouth. So patience, bhar bhar ke chahiye, and you won't get that satisfaction of saying ek katora khatam ho gaya. But that satisfaction, let me tell you, is very short-lived, because till how much of your life, or how many meals a day can you do ek katora khatam ho gaya. And there's another thing that I would like you to think about. Whenever you are saying ek katora khatam ho gaya, you're not even talking about what's there in the katora.
Yeah.
So the whole joy of food just goes away into, I don't know, ek katora.
So measuring katoras, yeah.
So and if you are a person that enjoys food, this is the best gift that you could pass on to generations, so that you get happy about momos order honge, because it happened just now. Then something ki aaj dinner mein you will have to eat something, and I will have to feed my child 2 roti.
Yeah.
Right? So that's the shift. And if your child is anywhere below 1, or I would actually move it up to like 1 year, 2 months, 1 year, 3 months, because appetite really takes a hit. Please, even if they grow on photosynthesis, there have been days where this child hasn't eaten like a bite, right? But they do make up for it. So nothing to get stressed about if your child is happy and being a child.
Active, yeah.
And peeing and pooping properly, nothing to worry about. Your job is only to offer. You're head chef. That's it.
Yeah. How to convince elders in the family that food before one is for fun? Ask them to, take a consult with Snagbub, or ask them to read My Child Won't Eat, because it's a very good book. It is evidence-based, and it is definitely going to be helpful. Or,
is we as in sometimes we share these videos on our group, of these little toddlers eating, or little elder childs eating. Spam karo, because I think for that generation, seeing a video is like proof, right? So if you show them, ki, this is what I'm doing, and after 2 months or after 2 years, this is what the child will actually end up doing. That for them is more tangible, because let's be honest, not every grandparent reads, and then reads in English. So maybe treat it as a
more of redirect.
Redirect. Yeah. Don't say no. Don't say yes. Just redirect. कि देखो इस ग्रुप में ये आया, देखो बच्चा कितना अच्छे से खा रहा है, whatever food they like, because like our child loves dal chawal for some strange reason. So देखो दाल चावल कितने अच्छे से खा रहा है. That's one meal that is that's not a hot favorite with kids, right? So the grandparents also feel a little, what do I say, bharosa, ki we are not entirely messing up the child care part of it. So
correct.
Stick to it. Talk to people, ask for videos if you need to show grandparents and get brownie points.
Yeah. And there's one question which Amruta is asking: should we always have a known food in the family? As community, we usually suggest always the family pot is something you should offer the child, of course minus salt and sugar and spices as per the needs. So yes, I mean, whatever you as a family eats, that's the best thing you can offer.
Yeah, and also trust me, all of these, I also tried this. Let me be very honest. A special meal for special child, I tried this, but then I figured with me working and with childcare, I cannot be cooking 4 hours a day for 4 different meals. So if your family pot is not suiting a healthy diet, is not properly balanced, then maybe you should tweak the family pot and and not make special meals for
Yeah.
the kid. So I understand there is this question of
Yeah.
variety. हम तो हर दिन में bread ये खा लेते हैं. So maybe this is a great
Right.
experiment to see what you eat also as a family.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, lifestyle changes as we spoke about.
Yeah.
And yes, I mean, of course, once in a while when you have time, it's always, you feel good. Oh, today, आज मैंने कुछ अलग से बनाया. Of course, go ahead. But as a regular thing, you don't have to stress about making something special every day. Great. I think
And
we are near the end.
and there is a
Yeah, go
rider
ahead.
about something special every day. You get so emotionally invested in that dish you had cooked. And उस दिन
Yeah.
अगर नहीं खाया तो जो दिल दुखता है ना. So just don't go down that path,
Yes,
because
and
then
that
the
part.
fear of rejection hits you somewhere. If you're making something
Yeah.
special, make it for whole family.
Yeah.
कोई ना कोई तो
Yeah.
खाएगा.
Yeah. हाँ, नहीं तो वो you tend to attach emotions. Oh, मैंने बनाया और बच्चे ने नहीं
बनाया
खाया,
नहीं
something is
खाया.
wrong. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Mayuri is asking, my son is 11 months. He says no to anything I offer him. So what is he eating right now, Mayuri? We need a few more details, like what does he eat? What is his schedule like, and all that.
Also, are
So
you eating the same food with him? Because, like Prachi said, you can't be eating pizza and giving bacha boiled vegetables. No, kids are super smart.
yeah, yeah. And Manali is asking, how do we know the difference if baby is not liking or not hungry? So when you have, say, three, like if you are having lunch, you have like four different things in the plate. The kid is picking only one. You know that it is his preference. But your job is to offer, and healthy, of course. So
Yeah,
yeah, I mean,
and
once in a while, kids will have their own.
which is okay. Also, that
Yeah,
whole thing of putting a small portion on the plate and then refilling that, filling that small portion actually helps, because then there is no mass of food to distract. And this especially is for younger kids, because
yeah,
they get very, the throwing part start when you put too many balls. It's like getting too many
yeah,
toys in one hand. पता नहीं चलता
yeah,
क्या करना
yeah.
है. It's very exciting.
Overwhelming हो जाता है. Correct.
Very overwhelming हो जाता है.
And as we, as Kamalika said, don't attach emotions to, oh, is he not liking, should I make something different? If that is what you as family eat, please continue doing that. So don't get stressed with mujhe kuch special banana hai. So
Yeah,
the kid
special
will
banana,
adapt.
special खाना. Yeah.
Because whatever you do has to be sustainable. You have to ask yourself this, कि अगर मैं आज बना रही हूँ, मैं रोज रोज बना सकती हूँ क्या? If
Yeah.
yes, go ahead. If not, then
Yeah.
yes, you need to. So he is eating rice, dal, khichdi, dosa, eggs, boiled egg. So okay. So I'm little confused when you say he's saying no to anything I offer him. So I'm kind of not understanding the question well. Probably you can leave a comment and we will get back to
Yeah,
you
we'll get
later.
back to it.
Yeah. And yes, we are nearing the end of the session. I hope it was helpful and I hope you got a lot of practical hacks and tips from Kamalika. And yes, so I would say being a working mother, being in a nuclear setup from a Bengali family, all these things, make her very unique. And she has been inspiring a lot, many moms from the community. So Mayuri is saying she force feeds him the stuff, but when she offers just like that, he doesn't eat. So yes, Mayuri, it's a process where you will have to model him. You'll have to give a lot of opportunities for him to explore food, and that's how it will not happen overnight. But yeah,
Yeah.
it will take time. But yes, if you force feed, you are just trying to build that, reinforce that thing. Ki, this is the way you get your food. So give him that
Yeah.
opportunity to. And it can also have negative effects like food resenting the food times, meal times. Hmm. So Amruta says, I see my baby, I serve baby on his booster tray. I sit in front of him and hold my plate. He's more interested in my plate. Be it, so be it. Offer him your plate. That's absolutely fine.
And he is 11 months, right? So maybe what you could also try is is have just take off the tray of the booster and have like two place sittings. So you are sitting on your plate, he is sitting on his plate, and both are identical. So you eat like big people do, because monkey see monkey do, no, वो घूम घूम के आ ही जाता है.
Correct.
So maybe he's more interested about how your plate looks. So give him the same
Yeah.
feeling of sitting in a chair and being close to the table, and there's no tray. Just see,
Yeah.
there is no. We don't know if it will work or not, because each child is so unique. But you can
Yeah.
keep trying different things. And दिन में 4 बार खाना खाता है. So see how many options you have of trying different things. So
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much, Kamalika, for your time. And if you haven't yet seen or read the SnugBub Solids document, you can send us a message and we can email it to you, or I'll put the form link in the comments, and you can just fill up the form and we'll email it to you. And lovely having you all here. And yes, if you want to join the SnugBub community, you can also message us and we'll help you with the process.
super.
All right. Bye, Mishti.
All right. Bye, Nisha.
Bye. Enjoy your momos. Bye. All right, Kamalika. Bye. Signing off.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Enjoy your momos.